This school year, the Green Team wants you to recycle. These blue bins are located all over campus. They can be found everywhere from the classrooms and hallways to the quad and the cafeteria. Everywhere you go, there is a recycling bin. When you recycle, your bottles and paper can be turned into items such as ink pens and paper towels. But this is not a recycling bin. When you throw things away, they go to landfills like these all over the world. So make the extra effort to find a recycling bin for the following items: paper, envelopes, notebooks, cardboard, books, magazines, cans, plastic bottles, plastic cups, and juice boxes. It does not have to be empty to be recycled. The following items cannot be recycled: chip bags, styrofoam, food wrappers, food, and Kleenex. If you don't know if it can be recycled, just ask. So, who do you know that recycles? Want to learn more about the Green Team? Join us at our first meeting on Tuesday, August 12th before school at 7:30 in room 208. We would love to see a representative from each club, activity, and sport. If you can't make it, just see Ms. Bliss in guidance.